How to fix MetaTrader 5 login problem. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can fix MetaTrader 5 login problems. Now, there might be several reasons behind your issue while logging into MetaTrader 5. The first thing you can do is check if your username and password are correct. Make sure that both username and password are entered correctly without any spaces or errors. So make sure that both these details are correct. Next thing you want to ensure is that you're selecting the correct server from the drop-down menu. Some brokers have multiple servers and connecting to the wrong one can cause login issues. Now, once all of this is done, tap on the login option and check if you're still facing this issue. If you still are, then the next thing you want to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try browsing other websites or using other online services to confirm your internet is working. You also want to check if your firewall or antivirus software is blocking MetaTrader 5. Now, even after all of this, if your issue is still not fixed, then you want to contact your broker to check if the servers are currently down or undergoing maintenance. Ensure that you have the latest version of MetaTrader 5 installed as well. In order to check, you can head over to Play Store or App Store and search for MetaTrader 5. Here, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. If it says open just like this, it means your application is fully updated. Now, another thing you can do over here is simply tap on the uninstall button and uninstall this application. Once it has been uninstalled, tap on install again. After the reinstallation, you want to log into your account and check if your issue has been fixed. If your issue has not been fixed even by doing all of this, then the last thing you can do is contact the broker's support system for assistance, or you can also contact the MetaTrader 5 customer support for further assistance. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.